In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Wix website for free. We'll walk through the basic setup together so that by the end, you'll have a site ready to customize and publish without spending anything. I'll guide you slowly and clearly, so feel free to follow along on your own screen. First, make sure you're logged into your Wix account in your browser. Once you're on the main Wix dashboard, look toward the top area of the page and find the section where your sites are listed. Here, click on the option that takes you to your existing sites. This is usually labeled something like My Sites, and it's the central place where Wix shows every website connected to your account. On that page, you'll see a button that allows you to start something new. Click on Create New Site. This is a starting point for any new project in Wix, whether it's a portfolio, a business site, or just something you're experimenting with. When you click it, Wix may ask you what kind of website you want to create, such as business, blog, or online store. Go ahead and select the option that best matches your goals. Don't worry, you can still change the design and content later, so this choice isn't permanent. It just helps Wix offer better starting templates and features. After you've made your selection, look for the button that says Create a Site. Click on that to confirm you want to move forward. Wix may show you a few different ways to build, sometimes with an automated setup, and sometimes by choosing a template. For this walkthrough, we're focusing on the standard editor approach, where you pick a design and edit it yourself. Next, you'll be taken to a page with many templates and design styles. Browse through and choose one that feels close to what you want. Once you've found a template you like, hover over it and click on Edit. This opens the Wix editor, which is where you'll actually build your site for free. From here, you can start customizing text, images, colors, and pages. Everything you change is saved within your free Wix site, and you can publish it when you're ready. That's the basic flow to get into the editor and start building your Wix website at no cost.